It's a big
Oh,
one.
there's a small one over there. In the corner. Hello there. I'm gonna teabag it. David, look, I'm teabagging. It hit me. It hit me. It hit me. Yeah, that sounds so nasty. Fuck.
Why don't you hit it so it could be more?
Hello. Thank you. Ah! Where's my gold? I need my gold
Go
pants.
turn around.
Killed it? And it dropped no slime. I know, I told you. We should keep it as a pet. We should, like, barricade it. Oh my, woo! Careful. Woo! We got this. One. Alright. You know, I might need some pants. Oh yeah, they just spawn. Yo, we should just turn off all the lights and then just, like, let them spawn. So, alright, let's see. We should just stay down here and see which spawns. I like how they just spawn right in front of us. Yeah. Feathers. Let's go up and then come back down again. That'll probably work.